Hi Sangam, good morning and thanks for coming on YourPedia.
Thank you, sir. Delighted to be here, sir.
Okay, and Sangam, आप अभी presently you are in a very prestigious course in a very prestigious IIT. आप IIT Kanpur में you are pursuing your masters in industrial management and engineering IME course. So the purpose of this entire interaction is to know about you about this course, and if some student is interested in this course in future, then he will get an idea on the basis of this interaction. So I start Sangam with your background in that we are interested to know like from which college you graduated and what is your graduation specialization. And after the graduation, you must have written GATE exam. So what was your GATE journey, your GATE score, your CGPA? So academic background and your personal background in the sense that from which part of India and which graduation college. This is to start with.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sangam Anant Jadhav. I belong to Mumbai. I did my bachelor's in civil engineering from Saboo Siddik College of Engineering, Baikala. Then I appeared for GATE 2023 for in a geomatics engineering paper, and my GATE score is 495, and my GATE rank is 142.
Okay.
And
So go ahead,
right
please
now
go
I
ahead.
am doing Right now, I'm doing M.Tech in Industrial and Management Engineering at IIT Kanpur.
Hmm. Okay, Sangam, you are a civil engineer, so you did not write GATE with civil engineering?
I wrote GATE in Civil Engineering in 2022. I was in one of the top NITs. So after that, I chose. After that, I in 2023 I gave GATE again. So I got IIT from this board. So I shifted to IIT.
Hmm. Okay, Sangam, the geomatics was a recently introduced course in GATE, and
Yes.
we want there is less information available with the students about geomatics. So please tell us something about geomatics and also tell that other than civil engineers, who other branches can write with the geomatics.
So geomatics can be written by almost like every branch. It's basically good for civil engineers, agriculture, and another one is even architecture students are also giving this geomatics paper. So it's all about remote sensing and GIS GPS knowledge. So it's since it's a new paper. So I when I gave it was only a second paper. So
Okay.
it is like syllabus is new, but if you know your basics, if basics are right, then you can conquer the exam. It's easy. It's all about basics. So if you are good
Hmm.
in remote sensing, since I was taking also classes in remote sensing, I was taking lectures, so I knew basics of remote sensing, also basics of GIS, GPS. So it was bit easy for me than other students. So it was
So
a
you
nice
were
experience.
taking, where were you taking classes? You were teaching somewhere? You were in
Yeah,
some
yeah,
institute? Okay.
yeah,
For geomatics.
yeah.
Okay,
So it's
wonderful.
sir, one subject is common. The surveying is common, civil engineering surveying. So
Yes.
the one part is only about surveying.
Hmm.
So it got me upper hand.
Hmm. But I've
Like
heard that geomatics also has computer science background or that knowledge is also required.
yes, sir. So it's basically civil engineering combined with a computer knowledge. So
Okay.
all you have to do is a civil engineering work only, surveying and all like measurements and all these things. But
Hmm.
you don't have to go to the site. You can do it by any instrument taken on the side, and you can take the measurements and come back and work on it. So it's like this.
Hmm.
You don't have. It's like advanced civil engineering
Hmm.
basically.
No, I'm saying that if some civil engineer wants to write with GATE geomatics, does he need to have a lot of knowledge of computer science also?
No sir. No
Hmm.
sir.
It's largely civil engineering.
Yeah, yeah. It's largely civil
Hmm.
engineering.
Hmm. Okay. And how
Even
this
the
geomatics,
yes sir.
how it is different from geoinformatics? We have heard that term also.
Was sir, the one which you said, the civil engineering with computer background is a geoinformatics, and geomatics is all about survey. So
Acha.
geomatics is basically civil engineering, and geoinformatics is like a processing the data from site and
Hmm.
making a insight from those data. So it is a geoinformatics. So it's a
Hmm.
it's a difference. The geomatics is the civil part, and geoinformatics is the civil plus computer part.
But the student of civil engineering are also going in geoinformatics, right?
Yes, sir. It's like everyone trying to get into geoinformatics because in IITs they are also offering non-core jobs for geoinformatics too. Because in a geoinformatics we are normally working in a Python or or any other good softwares
Okay,
like
wonderful.
RGS, QGS. So we are working on a software only. So if you have the knowledge of any software, so you can go for non-core placements also.
Okay.
So it's
Now, Sangam, coming to your GATE score 495, and in which you got geomatics in IIT Kanpur. Sorry, you got IME, Industrial Management Engineering in IIT Kanpur. Let me ask you, with this score 495, what other options did you get in IITs?
sir, I got too much options.
Okay.
I can read some of them. I got
Yeah.
IIT Bombay Urban Systems. I got Roorkee Data Science Artificial Intelligence also. Also I got Sitara from IIT Bombay. In Guwahati I got Earth Sciences. Also in IIT Hyderabad I got Climate Change. Also I got in IIT Kanpur only I got Geoinformatics for M.Tech also, but also for MSR I gave interview, so I also cleared interview for Geoinformatics. So I got almost like all old IITs except Delhi, which I didn't fill a form.
Hmm.
So
So, so,
opportunities are there.
so you tried for civil engineering department also, because looks like
Yeah,
most of the things were data science, management, and those kind of
yes,
things.
yes, yes,
You applied civil also,
yes, sir. Civil, but only for Geoinformatics. I
geoinformatics. Okay.
didn't apply for any core branch. I
Hmm.
applied for only the non-core branch. So
Okay.
Geoinformatics coming along.
Okay. And now coming to IME. So this is industrial management, department. So Sangam, can you also tell the students who are listening to you, like department similar to industrial management? This has a different names in different IITs, like DOMS in IIT Madras, Department of Management Studies, I suppose. So can you name other such departments in other IITs related to management, which you can get through GATE,
Which I can get
like IIT
all
Bombay?
DOMs,
Uh,
all DOMs also, but in Bombay, even SJ Song something a department, Shailaja
yeah,
Mehta
there's a
management.
management,
Also
Mehta School.
IISc, uh, IISc there is a course of management.
मैनेजमेंट
You can
स्टडीज है
also
वहाँ
get
पे।
that.
डॉम्स और आईसी सेम जाता है, लिटी के साथ जाता था।
Sir, the best part about our department is our department name is also changed. It's now Department of Management Sciences only.
ओके, नाउ द नेम इज चेंज, इट
Yes,
इज
yes,
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज।
Management Sciences.
सो इट इज नो मोर आईएमई नाउ।
No more IIT.
ओके, वंडरफुल। सो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज।
Yes, sir.
ओके, गुड, वंडरफुल। सो हाउ दैट इज गोइंग टू बी हेल्पफुल टू यू पीपल, संगम?
Uh, Sir, I can tell you, there. I used to think that it is a negative point about our department, but I can tell you one point. Our department name is Department of Management Sciences. Our MTech is Industrial and Management Engineering. We are getting taught by IIT professors and IIM professors,
ओके।
and we are getting placed in data science, data analytics, and operations and production management. So it is like you can explore anything. It's not like you are getting only industrial and management engineering. You are getting taught by IIM professors also, and you are open to all. Like you can go to production, even operations में जा सकते हो. Even you can go to data science and data analytics, or you can also opt for a core branch.
ओके।
So it's like a all in a one package.
वंडरफुल। अच्छा संगम, आपके साथ और ब्रांच के बच्चे भी होंगे?
Yes, sir. Sir, the basically normally IIM में students are mostly from mechanical background. So in our batch, me and other guys also, we are only two or three people who are not from mechanical background. So I am from civil, the other one is from production, and the another one is from manufacturing or agriculture. So it's basically too many people are from mechanical background.
Okay, wonderful. So civil engineers are also there, but mechanical people are
Yes,
more.
yes, yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, Sangam, we would like to know more about your department. Anything you want to tell the students who are listening to you?
Sir,
Though you have
the
told a couple of
but
things, but anything else if you want to add?
sir, the the flexibility of IIT of selecting subjects is best. So in our department, there are only three courses which are compulsory. The one is Java, Operations Management, and Probability and Statistics. You have to take these three courses. And
Hmm.
other than this, you can choose anything. Like if you want to pursue your career in finance, you can take subjects for finance. Since
Finance also.
our department only teaches finance subjects, or you have to go for a production thing. So you can also go for that direction also. If you want to
Hmm.
go for HR consulting, even we
Hmm.
have subjects for HR consulting. If you want to pursue a PhD, so I took a courses for like a research methodology. Even if you want to think about like a human behavior, what's the point of human behavior in business analysis? So you can take subjects like human ethics and all. So
Hmm.
it's like we have almost like in our department we have 29 subjects they are offering, which covers all these domains.
Hmm.
So you can actually explore after first sem. You can actually explore which side you want to go, like basically where you want to take your career.
Hmm.
It's like
Okay,
this.
Sangam, we know that some IITs, and in fact, almost all IITs have these courses of data science, artificial intelligence. Just now you mentioned that you got IIT Roorkee also. So my question is like IIT Kanpur has a separate department where student can pursue masters in artificial intelligence, data science, or these things are also part of your department.
Sir, we have subjects of machine learning and uh, coding, some coding related subjects, but we don't have like a proper data science domain. Like.
Okay.
So we are mostly working with numbers. So it's all about It's like a
Hmm.
statistics. So we
Hmm.
are all about, coding is there, but we are more about taking insights from data. So
Hmm.
this is actually basic thing for a data science or a data analysis. So you need
Hmm.
to take the meaning out. So our department is best in that category. So we
So
are
does your department offer MS also, or it is only MTech?
sir, it offers MTech and PhD. Also
Uh,
MBA is there.
MBA is
MBA is
there.
there.
So inductment
MBA
is
is
through CAT. Huh?
yeah, yeah. Then
Inductment is
it's
through
too
CAT.
bad.
Hmm. So direct PhD option is also there for students in your department
Yes, sir. It's there.
after immediately after B.tech.
Yes, sir.
And when you go through this department through MTech, is there any interview or written exam, or it is directly through GATE score?
Yes, sir. There was a interview and written exam.
Okay,
So
so
I gave
hmm.
written exam, which is all about maths and aptitude.
Hmm.
Was like a 200 marks paper and one fourth negative marking. So it was like that. So you have to clear so almost like a 500 to 600 points were there for a written exam. Then it got shortlisted to around 200 to 300 for interview. And
Hmm.
from that, only 30 got selected in interview.
Okay. So can you tell us, like, if a student is to write this exam, was it offline, written exam and interview?
Yes, sir.
Off.
Offline.
Hmm.
We
So
went
went
to
to
the
Kanpur and
campus.
did it.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. And what was the syllabus kind? I mean, what was the content of written exam? As you said, mathematics and aptitude. Any more idea to the students who may be writing this exam?
It's all about GATE mathematics.
GATE
So,
mathematics only.
yes, sir. GATE mathematics and aptitude also from a GATE rule. So
So
if
that
you are
means
sound,
whatever you are preparing for GATE, keep preparing that.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. You have
Hmm.
to prepare that because it's not like you have to crack that exam. It's not easy.
Achha.
It's like it was
Hmm.
difficult, but we
और जो
got through.
एप्टीट्यूड है संगम, जो एप्टीट्यूड है वो क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड है, रीजनिंग एप्टीट्यूड है, क्या है?
सर बहुत था क्वांटिटेटिव
हम्म।
भी था रीजनिंग भी था लेकिन
हम्म।
बहुत ज्यादा फोकस था डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन
अच्छा।
डीआई सब
डीआई ज्यादा था।
हाँ
हम्म। अच्छा, जब आप इंटरव्यू में गए तो उसका थोड़ा सा डिटेल में आप बताना कितने लोग अंदर बैठे थे और उन्होंने आपसे इंटरव्यू में क्या पूछा, क्या सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का भी पूछा, या किस तरीके का इंटरव्यू था और कितनी देर तक का था, जो बच्चा जानना चाहता है कि साहब इंटरव्यू में क्या होता है?
So after got selected in a written exam, I appeared for interview. In interview, there were two professors. So I was the first one to appear for interview in our batch. So the both professors made me comfortable. The interview thing. So the questions they asked me was basically I was doing the research in the geoinformatics batch.
हम्म,
So I gave my introduction. I mentioned that I am doing some research in geoinformatics batch. So
हम्म,
they made me like go through all basic detail of that project. So they
हम्म,
even asked me, where did you get the data? Is it like a government data or open source data?
हम्म,
If you are working on the same in our department, what would you
हम्म,
suggest?
हम्म,
It went on like that. Went on like
हम्म,
25 minutes. Like it's all about like that project only. Then they
हम्म,
asked me what are your.
हम्म,
They asked me that what can you do if you come to the campus. It
हम्म,
was basically like so they took almost 20 minutes for my project, the one
बीटेक
which I
प्रोजेक्ट।
was working. Yes, they also gave me one linear equation. They asked me what is the
हम्म,
independent variable, what is
हम्म,
also they gave me one civil engineering question in uh, the moment the one sir asked me like what is the color of soil in Ratnagiri. So it was like the red soil only. What is the content? I told him that iron content is more on that side. Because like she told me that
तो
it
उन्होंने
took
आपके,
almost like
ओके,
25 minutes.
हाउ मेनी प्रोफेसर्स वर देयर संगम?
Two, two.
So, so any idea about their background? What must be their background?
The one is from IIT Kanpur uh, only, and the other one was both professors are from our department, but one is from IIT background and the other one was from IIM background. So they are checking like a technical knowledge also and the management interpretive knowledge also.
No, no. My question was, do you think they were from civil engineering background?
No,
Mm,
no.
mm.
The one
So they
was
asked you
from
very
HR
generic,
background. Yeah,
generic question they asked.
they asked generic, but since the ma'am knew all these things, like she knows the data interpretation and all, she asked me like, she was from her background is
Okay.
computer science. So she
Mm,
asked me, what are you doing? Like which software are you using?
mm.
Like
So
how you are
Sangam,
interpreting.
any inputs to the students who must be aspiring for your department? Any inputs to them how to prepare for this interview? I mean, what to focus on interview?
Focus on the interview if you are doing any project or even your B.tech project. Most of our most of my batchmates got interview for their B.tech project. You have to be good in a B.tech project.
B.tech
You
project.
should know everything
Mm,
about your B.tech project. Or if you are
mm,
doing if you have any work experience, what are you doing there? Some of my colleagues have work experience of almost like a 2 years and all. So
mm,
they asked about the work experience, like what they did in their working time, like this. So you have to be sound in your projects, B.tech projects. If you are doing any research, you have to be sound in that area also. If you are telling them it's your interest, like data science is your interest, so you have to have basic knowledge about data science also.
wonderful. So now coming to the last part, which is a most important part also, Sangam. Students join any particular course, especially management course for placements. Please tell us
Yes, sir.
about the scenario of the placements in your department.
Sir, we haven't got data for this year, but last year data was wonderful. So everyone got placed around third day of placement season.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone was placed. So the average was around 16 LPA.
Okay, 1-6.
16 LPA, yes, sir. And the highest one from uh, one was a off campus placement also. The highest one from campus placement almost like a 24 LPA.
Okay.
Many of the guys got around about 20.
Okay.
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 So it's
So
like
जिसका जॉब एक्सपीरियंस होगा उसको शायद ज्यादा मिल जाए.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है.
Okay.
So it's all about your interpretive knowledge. मतलब डेटा
Okay.
कितना इंटरप्रेट कर पा रहे हैं. So everyone, so our batch got placed in a data science and data analytics field.
Okay, wonderful. Chalo, Sangam, then I think I have extracted maximum from you during this short span. And another my request is when this video will be published, there are so many students who feel like talking to you, especially those
Yes, sir.
who get the calls from these departments and then they say, Sangam, ye se baat karwa do. So do I can I take that liberty to get them
Yes, sir.
connected to
Yes,
you,
sir.
Sangam?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
YourPedia
Sang
helped me, sir. So I can
okay.
I can do that.
Sangam, thanks a lot, Sangam, for your time, and we wish you all the very best for your career ahead.
Thank you, sir.